Hello and good day. Welcome to today's episode of the Kannywood Reporter. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website at www.kannywoodreporter.com.
Tales of Fatima. I have been friends with Fatima since as far back as I can remember. We practically grew up together. Fatima has always been this lovely, dutiful daughter to her parents. She is well behaved and responsible. Though her parents are liberal, she never misbehaved. We graduated from the university and served for our country. Months later, after a few unsuccessful job hunts, Fatima announced that she was joining the movie industry.
Kai, me kika ce?
I said to her in Hausa.
Mana, ina son in shiga film. Ko ba a yi ne?
She replied, okay. Firstly, I know Fatima can be dramatic and she has been told to be quite a good actress. But that was not actual acting. And wait, is only a few unsuccessful job hunts discouraging my friend? Or wait, is she even serious? I mean, for me, I don't mind her acting if she can pull it off. But will her parents support her decision? And if they did, what of the extended family, friends, even friends? Wouldn't they say she has become irresponsible? I mean, is that not what they term actresses?
Yar iska ai ba ta taɓa samun mijin aure ba.
Ai ta yi iskanci ne da director shi yasa aka ba ta role din. Wa ma ya san maza nawa ta nuna tsarecin da kafin aka ba ta role din.
Allah ya sawake. She had to be joking. Maybe it's job hunt that is taking a toll on her.
Zainab, what are you thinking so deeply about?
To be continued.